The U.S. Supreme Court has allowed part of President Trump's travel ban targeting people from 6 Muslim-majority countries to go into effect. President Trump hailed the decision as a victory for America's national security. Aram has more.
The decision by America's highest court is not the final verdict, and the justices said they would consider in October whether the president's policy should be upheld or struck down. But it still is a win, albeit not a complete victory for Mr. Trump, who is seeking to place a 90-day ban on people from Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria and Yemen, and a 120-day ban on refugees. He has repeated that it was needed to block terrorists, citing attacks carried out by Islamic militants in major cities in Europe. But critics argue that no one from countries included in the travel ban had carried out attacks in the United States. Federal district courts had temporarily blocked the executive order, a revised version of which was signed in March, and an appeals court upheld the suspension. They said it violated federal immigration law and was discriminatory against Muslims, with all but the appeals court saying it is unconstitutional. But now the Supreme Court says the travel ban can now be enforced only to those who do not have what it called a bona fide relationship with an American individual or entity. This means those who want to visit family members, university students, or people with a business agenda, for example, will not be affected. The justices also allowed a limited version of the 120-day refugee ban to go into effect. President Trump welcomed the top court's ruling, saying he only wants those who are hardworking and productive to enter the country, not those who want to harm it. He has also said the ban would take effect within 72 hours of court approval. The case was Trump's first major challenge at the Supreme Court, where he restored a 5-4 conservative majority by appointing Neil Gorsuch, who joined the bench in April. The ruling was not unanimous, however, as the 4 Democratic appointees on the court were silent. Aram, Arirang News.